Stop wasting money on neck creams that promise dramatic results, but never actually fix the real problem, because before you scroll away or assume this is just another skincare pitch, there's one critical mistake that almost everyone makes that completely destroys their results. And, if you don't understand this one thing, you could spend weeks or even months doing everything you think is right, and still see absolutely no change, which is, honestly, frustrating, discouraging, and exactly why so many people give up too early. But here's the truth that most brands and even many professionals won't tell you. Everything you've been taught about sagging jowls and what people call turkey neck is fundamentally backwards. Because it's not primarily a skin issue like you've been led to believe, it's actually a structural issue driven by muscle weakness. And once you understand that, everything about how you approach fixing it changes completely. Because your face and neck aren't just passive layers of skin that need to be moisturized or tightened from the outside. They're supported by an intricate system of muscles that act as a natural internal framework, and when that framework is strong, your skin appears firm, lifted, and defined. But when that framework weakens, everything begins to sag, regardless of how many expensive creams or treatments you apply. And this is where most people go wrong, because they're trying to treat a structural problem with surface-level solutions, which is like trying to fix a collapsing building by painting the walls, instead of reinforcing the foundation. It simply doesn't work that way. Because underneath your skin you have more than 40 facial and neck muscles, including some of the most important ones for your appearance like the Platysma muscle, which runs from your jawline down your neck, and the Masseter muscles, which sit at the sides of your jaw, and are responsible for chewing, as well as shaping your lower face. These muscles are what hold your skin in place and give your face its definition. But over time, due to aging, lack of proper activation, and most importantly modern lifestyle habits, these muscles begin to weaken and lose tone, and when they do, they can no longer support your skin effectively, so gravity starts pulling everything downward, leading to sagging jowls, loose skin under the chin, and that soft, undefined jawline that so many people struggle with. And here's the part that most people don't realize because it's happening gradually and almost invisibly every single day. Your posture is actively accelerating this process, because every time you look down at your phone, lean forward toward a screen, or allow your head to drift in front of your shoulders, you are putting your neck muscles, especially the platysma, into a stretched and weakened position for extended periods of time, and over weeks, months, and years. This constant strain causes the muscle to lengthen, weaken, and lose its ability to contract effectively, which directly contributes to that sagging appearance. And that's why people in their 30s are now experiencing issues that used to show up much later in life, because this isn't just about aging anymore, it's about daily habits that are silently reshaping your face. But the good news is that once you understand what's really happening, you can start reversing it in a way that actually works. Muscles can be strengthened, and when you strengthen them, you rebuild the support system that your skin depends on. This naturally creates a tighter, more lifted appearance without needing to rely on expensive products or invasive procedures. And honestly, one of the most effective ways to do this is through targeted exercises that create real resistance and force your muscles to adapt. Because just like the muscles in your body respond to strength training, the muscles in your face and neck respond to consistent, focused activation. And one of the most powerful exercises you can start with is the Platysma flex hold, which directly targets the large, thin muscle, responsible for both neck tightness and lower face support. To perform it correctly, you slightly tilt your head back, open your mouth, and pull the corners of your lips downward while contracting your neck as forcefully as possible. When you do this properly, you should feel the tension and even see the vertical bands in your neck become more prominent, which is a sign that the muscle is fully engaged. And then you hold that contraction for several seconds, release, and repeat. This might feel unusual at first, but that's because most people have never actually trained these muscles before. Within a short period of consistent practice, many people begin to notice that their neck feels tighter, more supported, and less fatigued. This is where things really start to shift because you're no longer trying to mask the problem. You're actively rebuilding the underlying structure. But here's the mistake that stops most people from ever seeing real results, and this is the part you absolutely cannot ignore: doing these exercises while maintaining poor posture. Because if your head is still pushed forward, or your spine is misaligned, you are essentially stretching the same muscle you're trying to strengthen, which cancels out the benefits entirely. And honestly, in some cases, it can even make the problem worse, so proper alignment is not optional, it's essential. And that means keeping your spine straight, your shoulders back, and your head positioned directly over your shoulders so that your muscles are working from a neutral, supported position. And once you combine correct posture with targeted exercises, the results become much more noticeable and, much more consistent. And to take it a step further, you also need to address the muscles that define your jawline, particularly the masseter muscles, because these play a major role in how sharp or soft your lower face appears, and when they are underdeveloped, the jawline loses its structure, making sagging more visible. But when they are strengthened, they create a firmer, more defined contour that naturally pulls the surrounding tissue upward. One of the simplest ways to activate these muscles is through controlled resistance chewing, where you chew slowly and deliberately with enough force to engage the muscle fully, rather than the passive automatic chewing you do when eating. Over time, this helps build strength and endurance in the masseter, contributing to a more sculpted appearance. And at the same time, you need to correct the habits that are weakening your muscles throughout the day, because even the best exercises won't be fully effective if you're constantly undoing your progress with poor posture. This is where a simple movement like the chin tuck becomes incredibly powerful, because it directly counteracts forward head posture by pulling your head back into alignment and strengthening the deeper neck muscles that support proper positioning. By repeating this throughout the day, you train your body to maintain better posture naturally, which reduces strain on the platysma and allows it to function more effectively. And over time, this combination of strengthening and habit correction creates a compounding effect where your muscles become stronger, your posture improves, and your overall appearance becomes more lifted and defined. But it's important to understand that this is not an overnight transformation, because just like any form of training, results come from consistency. The people who see the most noticeable changes are the ones who commit to doing these exercises regularly and with proper intensity, not just occasionally, or half-heartedly. Because your muscles need a consistent stimulus to adapt and grow stronger. When you provide that stimulus day after day, the changes begin to build, starting with increased awareness and control, followed by subtle improvements in tightness and support, and eventually leading to visible differences in how your jawline and neck look. And this is where many people are surprised, because the changes often appear gradually but feel significant, and others may start to notice before you even fully recognize it yourself. That's because you're not just changing the surface, you're changing the structure underneath, and that creates a more natural, long-lasting improvement that doesn't rely on temporary fixes. This is why understanding the root cause is so important, because once you stop chasing surface-level solutions and start focusing on strengthening the muscles that actually support your face, you shift from a cycle of temporary results and constant spending to a process of real, sustainable improvement. And that's ultimately what makes the biggest difference, because instead of depending on products that can only do so much, you're taking control of the one factor that truly determines how your face ages over time, which is the strength and function of your underlying muscles. When you commit to that, even for just a few minutes a day, you're not just trying to look better in the short term, you're actively building a stronger foundation that supports your appearance for years to come.